Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully, you've had a great time trying to catch up. We know there's a lot going on these next few weeks. Again, I apologize for doing the videos like this. Having a little issue staying at school. Obviously, I don't want to spend my whole life there at the building doing the videos here at home so I can hang out with my loved ones. But of course, if you need in-person videos, I can get to that as soon as possible. This video for today, it's going to be the warm-up. Going to do lesson 1.1 and then a little bit of 1.2 just to talk about what solutions are. But this little section is going to go very quickly. So probably 3 little videos, nothing too crazy. I do apologize. This video is just a general idea. Next time I'll provide the calculator addition so we know that we can also do this on the calculator. But let's get started. Okay, the warm-up. Solving for each equation. Anytime I see a fraction like that, 1/3, I do want to get rid of the denominator. That's going to tell me to multiply each side by 3. When I multiply this side by 3, 1/3 times 3 does give me a 1. So all this disappears, which leaves my x by itself. 8 times 3, if you have your calculator, put it in real quick. You should get 24. And that's my answer for right there. Again, next time I will show you the calculator addition so you can know exactly what we're doing to be able to get these answers. I might sneeze, so excuse me if I do sneeze. Next. So this one was fraction to multiply. This one's right here. We're just isolating our x, making sure it's just an x. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I do need to move this +5 to this other side because there's this little imaginary border, left and right side. Since this is a +5, the only way to remove it is to subtract it. Once I subtract it from the left side, I have to do the same to the right side. 5 minus 5 is 0. There's my x by itself. Calculator if you must. 12.7 minus 5. You do get 7.7. Oh, I gotta sneeze again. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Doing this last portion. Sorry, second to last. 2 steps here. We do need to create our border again. Zoom in a little further if I can. No, that's all I can go. I do keep my x on the left side because I want to isolate it, so I got to move this -9. Opposite of a -9 is a +9 because I want to create that 0. Must do it to the other side. -9 minus 9 does create that 0 that I'm looking for. Calculator if you must. 6 plus 9 gives me 15. Bringing down this 2x. Last step to get rid of this 2. Right here, these 2 are getting multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Answer is x equals 15/2. We'll change that to a decimal once we get into the calculator portion next time. And the last section. We do have x's on both sides. Excuse me. We do have x's on both sides. We want to move our x to the left side and any other number to the right side. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Moving this +3 to the other side, we do have to subtract it. Subtracting it with the other x because x's go with x's. 3 minus 3 creates that 0. Calculator, if you must. 2 minus 3 is negative 1x. Gonna get a different color right here. So since I took care of this business, I have to move this 12 over here. Gotta subtract it since it's positive. With a negative 1 over here. 12 minus 12 is that nice 0. Negative 1 minus 12, calculator if you must, equals negative 13. Got to get rid of this negative 1, must divide. Those cancel. X equals, calculator, negative negative turns into positive. 13 over 1 is 13. Very good warm-up. Key terms right here, some good stuff. I do want to talk about that real quick. A solution when we talk about graphs eventually is when we have two lines that do intersect. Infinite solutions is when we have the same line on top of each other, two lines that are on top of each other, creating many, many solutions. And no solutions are parallel lines. That is a most definite thing that will happen soon. I don't know how soon, but just giving you the idea of it. Solution is one intersection. No solution is no intersection. And infinite solutions are the lines right on top of each other. Next video coming up.